Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make text or script stickers. Here I have Design Space open and I just have a blank canvas. I'm going to select text on the left-hand toolbar and a text box will appear. Up here I'm going to select the font and I'm going to click on System. These are the fonts that I have already downloaded. Because if you have all selected, you'll see all the fonts that you'll have to pay for or use Cricut Access. So I'm going to select System. And you can download a lot of free fonts from a website called thefont.com. I'll leave a link for it down below if you would like. The font that I'm going to use is called Cream Candy, and I'll leave a link for it down in the description if you're interested in this font as well. So I just typed in Cream Candy in the search bar and here it is. So now I can type in my word. Let's say my word is love, and you can see it appear here. For some reason, on Cricut Design Space, the letter space is always at 1.2, so I'm going to change this to 0. That way it'll bring my letters closer together. And here you can see that they're still not right next to each other, so I'm going to decrease the space even more until it looks like how I want it to look. And this looks good. So now I want to take a screenshot of this. But before I do that, I want to get rid of the grid background. So I'm going to click on the 3 little bars on the top left. Select Settings. And under Canvas Grid, I'm going to select No Grid. That way my background is just completely white. Next, I'm going to take a screenshot of this so that I can add a white layer. So if you click on the Start button or the Windows button on the bottom left and type in Snipping Tool, this window will appear. So I'm going to select New, and it'll kind of gray out your screen and you'll just create a rectangle around the section that you want. And this window of the screenshot will appear. I'm going to right click in this window and select Save As and save this file to my computer. Now, because I want to add a white border around this, I'm going to go to a website called Photopea. It's like Photoshop but free, and I'm going to upload my image. So here it is. I want to first get rid of the white background. On the left-hand toolbar is something called the magic wand. It's right above the crop tool. So I'm going to select that, or you can type W on your keyboard. And now I'm going to select the background that I don't want and then hit delete on my keyboard. Now I've deleted the background except for the space inside the loops, and I'm just going to keep those just so it looks like one piece. To add a white outline, I'm going to go into Layer on the top, select Layer Style, and go into Stroke. And the default is red. Here you can change the size of the stroke. So if we increase this, it'll make it bigger. And if we decrease it, it makes it smaller. If I stop here, there's this cutout in the V shape, and I don't want that, so I'm going to keep increasing until that's gone. And now that's gone, but there's space here between the L and the O, and I want to make sure this is one solid sticker. So I'm going to increase it a little bit more. I want my background color to be white, so I'm going to select this red and click on white. And here is my sticker. And this is what the sticker will look like. To download this, I'm going to go to File, Export as PNG, and hit Save. Back on Design Space, I can now delete this because I don't actually need this anymore. And I'm going to go to Upload, Upload Image. After I've uploaded, I'm going to hit Complex, Continue. And you shouldn't need to change anything here, so we can continue again. And we want to select Print Then Cut. Next, I'm going to click on it and Insert Image. And here you can adjust the size of the sticker. And if you want the grids back, you can select the 3 lines on the top left. Go back to Settings and go back to Full Grid or Partial Grid if that's what you like. You can right click and duplicate this for as many stickers as you want. And the maximum width is 6.75. The maximum height of your entire project is 9.75. So I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate this. When I select everything, it says that it's 9.4 inches tall, which is a little too tall, so I can highlight everything and adjust the size. I want to make sure it's less than 9.25, so just a tiny bit smaller. Okay, and then I'm going to hit Attach. Next, I'm going to select Make It. Here is what the image will look like after you print it. Hit Continue. Then we're going to Send to Printer. I'm going to turn off bleed because we already have that white border, and I'm gonna select print. Next, you'll have to select the base material. So this will be based on what kind of stickers you want to make. If you want to make sticker sheets, you would want to use sticky note. And if you want to make die cuts, I would use photo paper just to make sure that it cuts through the entire paper. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!